Whether you're trying to build muscle, stay energized, or simply eat healthier, protein is likely part of the conversation. Today we're joined by Toby Amidor, Wall Street Journal best-selling cookbook author and award-winning dietitian, who's sharing smart protein tips and delicious recipes from her new book, Healthy Living High-Protein Cookbook, 85 recipes and meal plans to build muscle, balance metabolism, and thrive at any age. I want all of those things, so it's lovely to meet you, Toby.
Nice to meet you as well.
Let's talk about the protein that you have brought with you. Why is protein so important?
So today I'm here with American Dairy Association Northeast, and I'm highlighting how you can add a high-quality dairy protein to everyday meals and snacks, right? So why is protein important? So we know it helps with so many different functions, right? Like build and repair muscles, help support bone health, immune function. It's also filling, keeps you satisfied and energized throughout the day.
Fantastic. I agree with all of those things.
Oh, I'm glad, but I want to tell you more about specifically high quality dairy foods are great because they carry with them other nutrients that are really essential, like calcium, vitamin D, potassium, essential nutrients. It's also versatile, right? Accessible, and it just adds nutrition to your daily routine.
An easy lift for a lot of protein. I'll buy that. Okay, talk about these delicious looking dishes that you've brought today.
So what I did first, I want to show you 4 different types of dairy foods that I added and used in these foods. So really quickly, we'll go through them. So just a traditional regular milk, 8 grams of protein, has 8 times more protein than the leading plant-based beverage, which has 1 gram. Ultra-filtered milk. It's, so the ultra-filtered milk, so it looks the same, but it's ultra-filtered. All that means is it's filtered. So you get a concentrate of protein, and you have calcium in there, but you're also getting less sugar and lactose, and many of them are lactose-free. Just read the label.
Fantastic.
I know. And then I have Greek yogurt, so 11 to 13 grams of protein per half a cup. And then you get also calcium, less sodium, less sugar compared to traditional varieties.
Amazing.
Last, cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
Yes, it's having a moment, but I don't think people do enough with it. So I'm going to show you 2 ways I'm going to use it. It has 12 grams of protein.
Does it have really 12?
That's what I'm saying. It's so underappreciated per half cup.
All right. I'm all ears. I'm all ears.
So let's go through what I brought with these. Okay.
Excellent.
So the first one is a peanut butter raspberry shake. Yes. So this one uses ultra-filtered milk, and then you have Greek yogurt in it. It actually has 26 grams of protein per serving.
Holy smokes. And it looks delicious.
Oh, it's very delicious.
Fantastic. I like that. What else do you have?
And then the next one. So there are different ways we can use cottage cheese. So one of the ways I'm using it in the pancakes, I use it with oats. I blend everything with,
Oh my gosh.
So some people don't like the curds, or some love it. So you could do, I like them both ways. So I blended it with some eggs, some oats, and then I have a yogurt strawberry puree that you can dip with it.
I like a little dipping situation.
Yeah, and it's nice like balance because you have the oats in there too, and you have also like eggs and dairy. So you have so many
dairy and the
things.
Protein from the dairy. Fantastic. And you've brought us lunch.
I brought you lunch. So it's not just an egg salad, but it's a cottage cheese egg salad.
No way.
So this one has 20 grams of protein. So it's made like a traditional egg salad, but I just added the cottage cheese to it, and I mashed the eggs, and you have chives in there too. Yeah. So it's really nice, and it gives you all the nutrition, 20 grams per the sandwich of protein.
And it looks beautiful, by the way.
And the last that my daughter is long awaiting because she loves this one. She's like, you're making it, not for me.
Oh my goodness, what is it?
This one is a creamy salmon ziti. Yes, and it has sun-dried tomatoes and spinach in it. And so you're adding ultra-filtered milk for creaminess, boosting the protein. Yes, the salmon gives protein, but you're also getting, remember what I told you from the dairy? Calcium, vitamin D.
That's right.
Boosting the protein.
All the things.
You're getting that.
Unbelievable.
Yep.
Well, I am officially hungry, so thank you.
Of course.
Everything looks delicious. And where can viewers get more information about your book, The Dishes, Dairy Foods?
Yes, so you can get my book, TobyAmidorNutrition.com, Amazon, any major bookseller. And then for more protein inspiration, recipes, information about dairy, go to AmericanDairy.com/protein.
Fantastic. Toby, thanks so much for being here and
Thanks
sharing
so
these fantastic, delicious recipes that are packed with protein.